of the set of values 7, 3, 6, 9, 5 equals. We know the range equal maximum subtract by minimum. Maximum value here was 9 and minimum value was 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Question number 2. If x equal 3 and y equal 5, then y power x equal space. Y here equal 5. 5 power 3 equal 5 product itself 3 times. It will be 125. Next example. Number 3. The relation which represents direct relation between two variables x and y. Choose letter D. Choose letter D because x over 5 equal y over 2. We can write y equal 2x over 5 and 2 over 5 multiplication by x and constant. We can cancel them and write this verse here direct verse. Okay, but if he asked about verse version, you must choose letter C. Okay, then this example you must choose letter D because you want to find direct version. Direct version is meaning y with x, when y increased then x increased, and when y decreased then x will be decreased. This is called it direct version. Okay, next example number 4. If y minus 5 x minus y equal 5 and x plus y equal 1, we want to find x power 2 minus y power 2. We can factorize this expression, write x minus y product by x plus y. X minus y it was 5 and x plus y 1. 5 times 1 it will be 5. Then the result here will be 5. Question number 5. If number x2 equal 9, then number of element of x it will be 3. Question number 6. You want to find the difference between two intervals. First was closed, 3 and 5, subtract by half closed interval. Its meaning, we have interval from 3 and 5 was closed here, and then we can cancel opened interval from 3 and closed to 5. We can cancel this interval, then the result will be one element here was 3. Then the result will be set of 3. Choose letter C. Question here, number 2, letter A. If x Cartesian product with y equals set of 2 and 2 and 2 and 5 and 2 and 7, you want to find y. Y second projection here in the order. Y equal 2 and 5 and 7. 2, 5 and 7. Okay, it's y. Y equal 2 and 5 and 7. And x2, it's meaning product itself to here product by set of 2. Then the result will be 2 and 2. This order will be 2 and 2 and closed. Question letter B. They give us 5a equal 3b. Then we can write the ratio between a and b. A product by 5 and b product by 3. And then we can write the constant m and m not equal 0. Then the value a equal 3m and b equal 5m. Okay, you can write in the expression numerator here 5a plus 9b over 4a plus 2b. 7 product by a, 7 product by 3m plus 9 product by b. B here was 5m. And 4 product by a was 3m plus 2 times b was 5m, 2 multiplication by 5m, 3 times 7 equal 21m. 9 times 5, 45m. 3 times 4 equal 12m. 2 times 5 equal 10m. And then you can write height common factor between two terms here, it will be m. And or you can eat them. Okay, 45 plus 21, it will be what? We can eat them here, write m. It's like terms. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And write m here. 2 plus 0 equal 2. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then the result will be 66 divided by 22 equal 3. Then the result here will be equal 3. Next example, question number 3. Letter E. If y varies inversely with x, then we can write y equal constant m over x. And x and m here is constant not equal 0, okay? And we know x not equal 0 and y not equal 0. We have varies inversely between y and x. When y decreased, x will be increased, okay? We have inverse about relation x and y, okay? He give us y equal 3. When x equal 3, y equal 3 when y equal, again, x equal 2 when y equal 3, okay? Then the constant m will be 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we can write the relation y equal, put m here equals 6 over x. It's the relation between y and x. And then he wants to find the value of y when x 1.5. Then y equals 6 over 1.5 here. The result will be 60 over 15. It will be what? It will be 4. 4 times 1.6 divided 1.5, it will be 4. Then the value of y here equal 4. Next example, the opposite figure represents the function f of x such that f of x equal x power 2. Here, pay attention with me about question letter P here. Here you want to find the point of this curve. Okay, we have the function here f of x was equal x power 2 minus 2. At the vertices here it will be 0 and negative 2. In the vertex about this curve will be 0 and negative 2. And line symmetry, okay, line symmetry x equal what? X equal 0. It was minimum value equal negative 2, okay? The minimum value at negative 2, okay? It's the result about this example. It's a minimum. Next example, question number 4. Here, question number 4, letter A. We have the relation between A and B, A belonging to x and y belonging and b belonging to x again. Relation E is additive inverse of b. It's meaning a plus b equals 0. Then we can find the relation here. First order, you can write negative 2 with itself and we can replace it 2 and negative 2, and then you can write 0 and 0 and negative 1 and 1, and you can write again 1 and negative 1, replace them, and we have 1 and negative 1, 2 and negative 2, okay, and 0 and 0. Then this relation we called it what? It's a function or not? Any element has the image. We have negative 2 and 2, 0, negative 1 and 1. You can move from 2 to negative 2 here and here, and 0 to itself. It's a function, okay? Understood? Next example. Letter B. If P is the middle proportional between A and C, then we can write A over B equal B over C equal constant M, and M not equal 0. Then we can write A equal Cm power 2 and B equal Cm. And then we must prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Left hand side was he give us A minus B over A minus C, and right hand side here B over B plus C. A minus B, A was Cm power 2 subtract by P over A Cm power 2 subtract by C, and then you can write height common factor between two terms. He give us B equals Cm. Write Cm height common factor between two terms here, it will be m minus 1, and here write C height common factor, it will be m power 2 minus 1. And then you can factorizing this expression in denominator, m power 2 minus 1, it will be m minus 1 product by m plus 1, and then cancel them, and the result will be 1 over m plus 1. And what about right hand side, B over P plus C? B here was Cm and P was Cm plus C. You can write C height common factor between two terms in denominator, cancel them, then the result will be m over m plus 1. Okay, P was Cm and we have here m, it was m. Okay, m over m is 1 with equality, then left hand side equal right hand side. Next question letter A. Question number 5, letter A. We have f of x equal x minus 3. Then find the points intersection with x-axis and y-axis. Okay, at x equal 0. Put x equal 0 to find the point which this function equal y. Put x equal 0, then y equal here negative 3. Then the point will be 0 and negative 3. This point about intersection with what? With y-axis. Intersection with y-axis. Put x equal 0 at the point 0 and negative 3. And then at y equals 0 in this function, put y equals 0, then x equals 3. Then we have point 3 and 0. Then if we draw this straight line, we have 2 points here at y equal negative 3 and x was 3, this function here. So increase the slope with b positive and make the positive angle with x-axis. Okay, then we have 2 points 0 and negative 3 and 3 and 0. Next example, calculate standard deviation between 8, 9, 7. Okay, we can solve this. Okay, question letter A won't draw this function. Okay, I will draw this function again question 5 letter A. I will complete this question, but I find the 2 points here. Remember 0 and negative 3, and the next point or 3 and 0, and then you can draw this function again. We have 0 and negative 3 and 3 and 0, and it will be this function here. Okay, you can solve last question. First step, you can find x bar. It's very easy for you. Okay, to find summation of element divided the number of element, and then draw table, write x and x subtract x bar all power 2, and then find the sum of them, and then find the sigma square root of summation x subtract x bar over n to find the sigma. Okay,